Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki Eweta Kana Silikali Sya Mitiuuko no Ithukumie Nundu Katiba Kaiseuvitye Kwithiwa si Kitui Kinene cha Maendeeo vanthi ya Kenya kana Kenya yonthe kwa Wiananu okavindani kauna mo magavana ni mokilia kiyo choyulu wa kuselewa kwa misala na ilovia kukwama ila kitumite uthukumi ukwama nundu wa walani umwe wa procurement na kutuma marathukuma mwene nthi nesande to ila manena kikaloni cha miongweli na nyanya cha maundu ma budget na ukwati IBEC musini wa Ilovi Ben Musau na mauvo.
Munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki ni wathingilila vata wa Silikali Sya Mitiuuko Eweta Silikali Sya Mitiuuko tagwa uito wa katiba kangilile na 10 kakwikithia Wiananu wa Maendeeo isioni sionthe va Kenya.
As we preserve and implement our constitution, we must preserve and implement devolution, because the issues that devolution was supposed to resolve are as critical as they were 15 years ago when we enacted the constitution we have today.
Kindiki ni waweta iwango sielisi ya Silikali no nginya Ithukume kwa vamwe ni kana kwa ili uthukumi wa mwene nthi.
It is about services closer to the people. It is about decisions being made at lower levels, making those decisions most legitimate. It is about the public participating in governance. It is also about dispersal of power vertically. And it is also about moving the country where it was 15 years ago with only one center of growth, which is Nairobi, where everything was decided and financed from, to creating 47 centers of growth simultaneously spurring the growth and renewal of our country.
Nayo zama ya magavana niyo kiliokayo kumana na kuseliwa kwa misala ndulame wera tovalani ti uthukumi wa county mwene kivila wanzama ino ikonania mathina makimbesa nthini wa county kwitha motho thetwe ni wala nyumwe wa procurement.
As a council, we have no problem with automation, but Your Excellency, we feel that this EGP thing along the road, you people will either realize that you are not given the full picture and would ask to reverse it, or it will be implemented with pain that was not necessary. We will be asking ourselves, was it worth doing it in that manner? If IFMIS itself has issues, I know governors here who are unable to pay salaries because the mapping of their budget in IFMIS was done wrongly and they were frozen. In fact, it gets to a point where when I call governors for some of these meetings, they refuse to come. Counties are owed 36.619 billion, being 36.275 billion for September 2025 allocation and 2.344 billion, a balance from July's disbursement.
Vilingi wa Mavomu Tongo TV nyeni tawa Ben Musau.